let's look at the examples of addition principle. Now first thing, what is addition principle? If first thing can be done in m different ways and second thing can be done in n different ways. Okay, here it is. Then the total number of ways in which either first or second can be done is m plus n. Okay, so whenever we have choice that either first has to be done or second has to be done, and if first thing can be done in m ways and second thing can be done in n ways, then we can do either this or that in m plus n ways. So the first example here, a boy has one library ticket. In how many ways can he take a book out of 8 books in mathematics and 6 books in accountancy? Now there are total 8 books in mathematics, and 6 books in accountancy, right? So there are total 8 plus 6 books, that is 14 books. Okay. Now he has only one ticket. Now out of these books, he can choose only one book. So from 8 books of mathematics, we can choose any one book. So there are total 8 ways of choosing books in mathematics, right? 8 ways of choosing book in mathematics. And since there are 6 books in accountancy, there are 6 ways of choosing books in a book in accountancy. So how many ways he can choose? It is total m plus n ways, that is nothing but 14 ways. So there are 14 ways he can choose any one books out of 8 books in mathematics and 6 books in accountancy. So since there are total 14 books, he can pick any one book out of these 14 books. So either this or that. So either he can choose mathematics books or he can choose accountancy book. Since he has only one ticket, he can choose either this or that. We have addition here. So 8 plus 6, it is total 14 ways. Next example. There are 4 ways to go by road from Margao to Panjim and 3 ways to go by train. If a student wants to go from Margao to Panjim, in how many ways can he do that? So we have 4 ways by road and 3 ways by train. Okay, from Margao to Panjim there are 4 ways by road and 3 ways by train, and the students wants to go from Margao to Panjim. So either he can take a road or he can take a train. So if he is taking a road, there are 4 ways, or if he is taking a train, there are 3 ways he can take a train. So altogether there are 7 ways of going from Margao to Panjim. So he can choose any one of these 7. If he is taking road, he can choose any one of these 4. If he is taking train, he can choose any one of these 3. So there are total 7 ways, because he can either go by road or by train, either or. So addition. So there are total 7 ways he can go from Margao to Panjim. Now next example on addition theorem. Now let's look at this example from multiplication as well as addition theorem. Let's find out what is the difference here. Now look at this example which we have already discussed. There are 5 saris and 3 pair of sandals with a lady. In how many ways can she wear one sari and pair of sandal? We have already discussed this, and there are total 15 ways she can wear a sari and a pair of sandal, right? Now look at the second example, this example. There are 15 salwar kameez and 12 kurtas. In how many ways can a girl choose any one outfit? Now what's the difference here? Here she was pairing a sari with a pair of sandals. So she was wearing it simultaneously, So a sari and pair of a sandal. A sari and a pair of a sandal. That is the reason this is multiplication theorem. We are using multiplication theorem or multiplication principle. Wherein in this case a girl has 15 salwar kameez. She has 15 salwar kameez and 12 kurtas. Okay. Now from salwar kameez or 12 kurtas at a time she is going to wear any one. Right? She has to choose any one of this outfit. So she can choose either salwar kameez. Suppose she is choosing salwar kameez. There are 15 ways she can choose salwar kameez. And if she is choosing kurta, there are 12 ways she can choose kurta. Right? Now, either she can go for salwar kameez or she can go for kurta. So, there are total 15 plus 12 outfits. So, there are total 27 outfits, or there are total 27 ways she can choose her outfit. Okay, so what's the difference here? In this first case, in this first example, the lady was pairing a sari with a sandal. So she was wearing sari and a pair of sandal. Wherein in this case, a girl has to choose either kurta or salwar kameez. Either this or that. That's why this is addition. Wherein in this case, since it is and, it is multiplication. Okay. So here we have total 27 ways she can choose her outfit, either salwar kameez or kurta. So there are total 15 ways of choosing salwar kameez and there are 12 ways of choosing kurta. So altogether there are total 27 ways she can choose her outfit.